This is the salsa that was always in Grandma's house. This is the salsa that was made for Grandpa. He will add it to everything. Hello, my name is Gustavo Romero, and today we're gonna make Salsa De Molcajete. This is the perfect salsa for your carne asada. You can add it into quesadillas, you can add it for tacos. You can just add it with a nice totopo. It's a perfect salsa to have at home. For the salsa de molcajete, we're gonna use first the comal. Very important, we're gonna use the tatemado technique, which means charred in the comal. You wanna really get those burnt parts on all the vegetables, but you're gonna have the freshness still inside. For this salsa, we're gonna use red onion or purple onion, some Roma tomatoes, nice and ripe, serrano chiles, garlic, cilantro, and some other seasoning. We're gonna start by adding all the vegetables into the comal. We're gonna start from the bigger vegetables to the smaller vegetables. I like to cut the onion and a little bit of smaller pieces so you get more char. We're gonna add our serranos and finally our garlic. You wanna do this at a high heat because you really wanna get those skins burned. You can also do this in a grill, you can also do this in a broiler, but we like to do in the comal. It's the traditional way to do it. We're gonna continue to char it. We want the nice dark colors. We're gonna remove them when they're black like this one. First, we're gonna pull the garlic since it's the strongest of the flavors. Oh yeah, this is my favorite one. The garlic smells almost buttery. This is delicious. I think people that really like roasted garlic, this is what they want, they just don't know it. After the garlic is nice and ground, we're gonna add the onion and the serrano chiles, and then we're gonna grind it pretty well. These are the bigger flavors, so we want it to be spread out in all the salsa. When we have this nice color of the tomatoes, it's charred on all sides, we're gonna add it to the molcajete. One at a time, we're gonna press slowly. You don't wanna overcrowd your molcajete. It will become really hard to get the consistency that you want for your salsa. Finally, what we're gonna do is add a little bit of the lime juice. We're gonna season it with salt and pepper to balance the acidity and the spice. And then we're gonna add some chopped cilantro. Delicious. You really get a char on the vegetables, a little bit of heat, but it's all balanced. A little bit of acidity for the lime. It's delicious.